Problem 1. Equation. First thing that we need to first is multiply 1 by 1. And we get this answer. The others we need to rewrite back. Second, after multiply 1 by 1, we need to multiply this and this. This is my method. How to multiply 1 by 1 is make a green line to make sure that we don't make a mistake. So 205p times 5 times 15, 60 plus 2. Like this answer. Next, after we multiply 1 by 1, we simplify the answer with this equation to this equation. 60 plus 2q equals to 40, and take this equation and make answer with simultaneous equation. So how to make simultaneous equation is you take either equation 1 or equation 2 to make a q or p as a single answer. So we have 2q equals to 10. Q equals to 10 over 2, we get 5. So with this answer, we place at equation 1, 6p plus 2q equals to 40. 60 minus 40 minus 10, and we get the answer is 5. So p equals to 5, q equals to 5. Thank you.
Okay, hello, my name is Muhammad Imam bin Faisal. I'm from Diagnostic D2A, and today I want to do the question 2. Okay, the question 2 is Imran bought 4 books and 2 pens from bookstore for a total of RM20. At the same bookstore, Mutah bought 2 books and 3 pens with a total of RM2 less than Imran, which means 18 ringgit, RM18. Taking X to represent the price of book and Y to represent the price of pen. So, question A, transform the given information into a matrix form. So, you must write first matrix 2 times 2, A equals to 4, B equals to 2, 2 equals to C, and 3 equals to D. And then, beside that matrix, you write the 1 times 2 matrix, X and Y equals, and then after that you equals to 20 and 18. Where did you get the 18 from? Minus the 20 from the RM2 that Mutah bought. For question B, determine the unit price of book and pen in RM by using inversion method. Okay, take the matrix that you create from the question A, and then find the determinant of that matrix. How to find the determinant of that matrix? The formula for determinant is 1 over AD minus BC. So the determinant for the matrix is 1 over 8. After that, you bring the XY to the other side and 1 over 8 to the matrix side, and it will become XY equals to 1 over 8 times 3, negative 2, negative 2, 4, 20, and 18. How did you get the matrix 3, negative 2, negative 2, and 4? You do the inversion. So A and D, you swap the position, while B and C, you just add negative. If the number is negative, then you make the number positive. That is for AD and CD, A and BC for inversion. After that, you multiply the matrix that you have inverse, multiply it by 20 and 18, and you will get XY equals to 1 over 8 times 60, negative 36, negative 40, and 72. So from the earlier matrix, 3 times 20 you get 60, and negative 2 times 18 you get 36, negative 36, negative 2 times 20 you get negative 40, and 4 times 18 you get 72. After that, you multiply the 1 over 8 in the matrix. So 1 over 8 multiply by 60, you get 7.5. 1 over 8 you multiply by negative 36, you get negative 4.5. 1 over 8 multiplied by negative 40, you get negative 5. And 1 over 8 multiplied by 72, you will get 9. After that, after multiply it, write the matrix and A, and just add it. So A plus B and C plus D, and for that you will get 7.5 plus negative 4.5 equals to 3, and negative 5 plus 9 equals to 4, and the answer is 3, 4 in form of matrix 1 times 2. That's all.
Now I will talk about the question 3. The question 3 is about Mr. Azman is a construction materials dealer. One day, he got an order from 3 buyers. The first buyer want to buy 2 cartons of bricks and 20 pieces of zinc. For the second buyer, he want to buy 2 cartons of brick and 50 pieces of zinc and 30 iron bars. For the third buyer, he want to buy 3 cartons of brick, 25 pieces of zinc and 20 iron bars. After the first buyer order was shipped, 2 zinc of pieces shipped were damaged. So the first buyer only needs to pay as much as C at 0. Then the second buyer has to pay at 100. Next, before the third buyer order is shipped, he makes some change to his order. He reduced the number of bricks. He ordered by 1 carton and add another 10 pieces of zinc. The amount be paid by the third buyer is 950. This is the matrix for the buyer.
Yeah. Now we need to use Dragon's rule to solve this problem. First, we need to find the determinant for the original equation. So the formula for determinant is we use 3 of this and put at here. Okay. Then we need to, for this area, we need to close this area and then multiply this area. And then 15 multiplied by 20 here. Then 30 multiplied by 25 here. Then we continue with the flow. We close here and then we multiply here and here. Here. And then here and here. Okay. And then same with the back. Close here and multiply here, multiply here. This and this. So after we solve this part, we get this 1500 negative. And then we solve this part, we get 360. And solve this part, we get 0. And then we finish the problem. And then we get, for the determinant, we get minus 1140. Okay. Now we continue with the determinant of x. For determinant of x, we need to copy this back answer and bring to this, to the front. Okay. When we have been at the front, we need to follow the flow same with the top. Put here to the front, and then we need to multiply with this part. Here, 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 and here. Okay, then we solve part by part. First part we get this. Second part we get this. And third part we get this. Then the final we get this for determinant x.
Okay.
Now we continue with determinant y and z. So same with the determinant x, we need to put the final answer at here, at the middle part, and then we put the top value to 680 and 0. And then we follow the flow, we follow this rule, follow the rule, we put here and put here, and then we finish this first part, and then we get this, the second part, we get this, and the third part, we get 0. And then for the final answer for determinant y, this 11,400. Okay, for determinant z, same with the determinant y, but we put the answer at here, we exchange. Now the 280 and 680 we put at the front here. Okay, same with before. Multiply this and put here. Multiply this and this and put here, and this put here. Finish the part. Get this, and finish this part. We get this, and finish this part. We get this, and the final answer for determinant z is 5,700 minus.
Okay.
So now I have list up all the determinant from the determinant original, dx, dy, and dz. So the question we need to find the price of each item. Now x equal for brick, y is zinc, and z is iron bar. So the formula is determinant x divided by the original determinant. So we get this 250 for each carton of brick. Okay, then for the y, we divided determinant y and determinant original. We get 10 ringgit for each zinc. Then for z, we divided determinant z and determinant original. We get 5 ringgit for each iron bar. So,
Okay, for the conclusion, matrix, the inversion method, and Cramer's rules are essential tools in linear algebra that offer powerful techniques for solving system of linear equation. Matrix provide a compact and systematic way to represent this equation, making them easy to manipulate and analyze. The inversion method allows us to find the inverse of matrix, which is crucial for solving equation efficiently. On the other hand, Cramer's rules provide a method for solving system of linear equation by expressing the solution in terms of determinants.
Together, this concept form the backbone of many mathematical techniques used in various fields, including physics, engineering, economics, and computer science. Understanding this tool not only helps us solve practical problems, but also depends our understanding of fundamental mathematical concepts.